Primrose, move closer, please. Muje tulumbe Gabon nalo nakaja. Nico, remove the cap, please. Okay. That hairstyle for Gabon, by the way. It's for Gabon. So ignore the earlier photos, please. Thank you so much. So the official fundraising drive
until the grand draw, which would have about 10 people also being picked on the final day before they go. So it is not officials. No official is involved here, and it's purely by your contributions. If you contribute, then you qualify to be in the draw, and if you're lucky, you win. You win the chance to go to Gabon to go and support.
National cause and issue. This is a direction that we are heading and is intended to bring the happiness, pride, and sense of identity to each single Ugandan. And I'm very happy person and looking forward that all this, what has been today presented here, delivers the fruit.
Ebenge esobola okusolooza esente ezisuubira okuwera billion 6 zisuubira nti zijja kuyambira ddala mu nteekateeka n'enzirukanya ya ttiimu okubanga buli kyetaagisa abasambi kye beetaaga ne ba coaches weekiri mbeera eyo yenkola gye tusuubira nti Bannayuganda wadde wajja kubaawo ebirabo ebiwangulwa buli wiiki naye ekisingira ddala obukulu nti asasudde sente ziwera omutwalo mu ngeri yonna oba mu mobile money ng'ayise ku ssimu namba 070 emu 22 nyanya 33 070 22 nyanya 33 kijja kuba kisobola okumuteeka mu kalulu akasobola okuwangula tiketi emutwala e Gabon okuwagira ensi ye. So ku mutwalo gumu n'ogenda waggulu.
Sorry.
And the FUFA president also is joining the campaign. It's a lot of money in dollars. Yes. Dennis Mbide, the FUFA vice president, and Hassan Waswa now. Those ones are now talking seriously. Hassan Waswa, marketing committee chairman, Nicholas Wadada, Uganda Cranes player. Primrose, please, the media. I would want to know exactly the 450 million shillings over 3 years, please, explanation, or to be maybe part of the questions from the media there. Okay, thank you.
This is Kingdom TV.